In today's video, we're going to talk about your and yours. I'm sure that all of you know how to use these two words in sentences. But have you ever thought about the differences between these two words? If you want to know, then keep on watching. As I already mentioned in my previous video, your is a possessive adjective. It always comes before a noun. Yours is a possessive pronoun. It is independent. It doesn't need a noun. Okay, so let's differentiate these two again by using them in sentences. This is your lunch. Your comes before the noun lunch. It is dependent on the noun. Why? Without the noun, the sentence is incomplete. Let's try to remove lunch. This is your what. This is your what, right? So it always needs a noun. How about yours? It is independent. Okay, let's see. Whose lunch is this? It is yours. Can you see? It doesn't need a noun after yours. So it is yours lunch is wrong. Let's have a review. Your is a possessive adjective. It comes before a noun. It is dependent. Yours is a possessive pronoun. It doesn't need a noun. It is independent.